We will present you to the people of Yangton. Show us how you wave. Paano mag-wave ang isang prinsesa?
Hello po! Hello! Hello po! Hello!
Wait. Tama na. Para ka namang mascot. Bawal yon. Dorji!
Yes,
Dorji will help you. Pakita mo, Dorji, yung 3 types of waves. Come on.
Most certainly, Ashley. Princess Aria, may 3 klaseng pag-wave sa mga tao. Ang unang klaseng pag-wave ay ang royal wave. Ginagawa ito pagkausap mo ang mga royalties o ang mga dignitaries,
Okay?
mga diplomats. You do it by flicking your wrist with chin up and eye contact.
Huwag
It's
masyadong
like-
mataas, ha?
It is just like replacing a light bulb. Can I see you, Princess Aria? There you go.
Masyadong matigas.
Perfect.
Anong perfect?
Almost perfect.
Alright.
The second one, Princess Aria, is the masa wave. You do that because sometimes hindi naintindihan ng mga masa ang royal wave. So you do it pagkausap mo mga common people. You do it like this. It's just like cleaning.
Huwag masyadong mabilis.
There. Very good. And the third wave is the sweet wave. It is done like this, Princess Aria. Actually, we need a volunteer. Dasho Chow. Can I have you on the floor?
Pero gagawin mo lang yan kay Dasha Zhao.
Of course, Princess Aria.
Son,
Sweet
behave.
wave. With sweetness in your eyes, Princess Aria. Hindi naman tama
Ay,
yan.
cute.
Cute, pero...
Aminin
she's so
natin.
cute.
Masakit ba kamay mo?
Hirap po, nakangawit. Buti